Hello everybody, this is me, Godzilla. We're going to react to Hypocella's new video trailer, something like that. But before we're about to react to this video, we're going to have a special guest, and that is Mega King Ghidorah and Fury. I think we should call Mega King Ghidorah Mega Ghidorah, because you're not a king. I'm a false king. Okay. But, so, and we haven't reacted to a video for almost a week. Yeah. So, yeah. Anyways, now, guys, what? The video already started. I know that theory. I know. We gotta react to this video, okay? Alright? Okay? And see what's our thoughts. And we're gonna react to other videos. Like, yeah. So, anyways, let's continue. Oh, wait, no, the buttons are here. There's a Barononyx. Awesome trailer, or something like that. Oh, hello, Gojira. Or Godzilla 1954, whatever you want to call it. Rodan! Yes. Oh, yeah. Wait, what is that thing? There's a lot of Titans out here. There's 17. Of course, a lot. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Yay, Godzilla! Sorry. Whoa, dinosaurs. October 4th, 2019. Okay, cool trailer. So are there any questions or no, we're fine. Definitely fine. Okay, now we're gonna react to another one. So we're gonna react to Super Woody Woodpecker's video now, so yeah, do it. For who? Oh. How these people do this stuff? The proof is right here. Oh, okay. Sorry, we just have a little bit. I have a little bit of allergy, so yeah. Okay, this might take a while, so yeah. Whoa. Kiara, Tiffany, and Sarah. Rexy and Blue the movie too, and yeah. Oh, okay, cool. Alright then. Should we react to another one? Nah. Okay. Anyways, well, hopefully you guys enjoy our reenactor video. If you want us to do more reenactor video, you can always ask. But, hope you guys have a great day. Please subscribe and peace. And there's going to be a new Godzilla character. So, I mean, not a new Godzilla character. There's going to be a new character in our series, I meant. So, yeah. Anyways, have a great day. Please subscribe and peace out.